Good morning, everybody. Let's see what's going on. Well, here's the thing. I want to tell you first one thing. A lot of names are getting the price of their stocks are getting crazy, like in 300, 400, 500, and above. 6, 7, 8, getting close to 1,000. So the expectation is, we should get some splits soon. I mean, this year or sooner, maybe next earnings they announce splits, because once it goes above 1,000, is a stock that is highly traded. It's gonna be more difficult for algorithms to price the options. So because once the price of a stock goes too high, then the premiums is going to be more difficult to price it, and there's more chances to make money. And when there's a big move, for example, MSTR, like 100 points moving every day right now. I mean, yesterday and today. And then we got AVGO like 1,300. It can anytime move like 50, 100 points, or many other names. So we're in very interesting eras right now. Anyhow, ES pre-market right now, it went up to 50.90 and pulled back and then run up again. Yesterday market was very choppy. I was just up and down on indexes. ES, SPY, SPX, they were pulling down, but at the same time QQQ was holding up strong, and then BTC was just ripping up. Tomorrow morning is PCE report. Today, nothing is special. We just got Fed bar coming at 9 a.m., 9:05, and then consumer confidence coming at 10 a.m., and then we got a 7-year note auction at 1 p.m. The biggest thing tomorrow is GDP and PCE that has a big effect on market. Keep in mind, last week Nvidia, when it had earning the day before, market was feel like very weak and was like bearish and was going down, and then 1 hour before close, boom, everything just jumped up crazy into the close, like they knew exactly how Nvidia earning is gonna be. And same thing today. Watch. If you see end of the day a big run up, a big squeeze up, that's a sign that maybe they know the result, and reverse. So anyhow, ES pre-market 5 is up, 15 is kind of flat, 30 is upward, 1 hour is upward, 4 hour we still don't have a golden cross. Once that happen, market can rip up higher. Daily MACD is kind of flat, and the TTM squeeze is still very bullish on the weekly. NQ showing more sign of strength. Pre-market kind of choppy actions, but I like that the 1 hour is upward. If the 4 hour MACD golden crosses this week, we're gonna have a rip up. Just keep in mind, if PCE comes in good and market likes it, same like last week can repeat, and we can have a rip up. End of the week. Um, Dow Jones, we got a dark blue bar. This one just every day week it does a dark blue bar, then again goes up and flashes to light blue bar. But if market pulls back, this probably is gonna be gonna go the lowest. The most goes lower because it's already showing weakness last few weeks. RUT 0.9% up. IWM is strong, looking very strong actually. We'll show you on IWM. DXY pre-market, little bit upward. That's what causing weakness right now. 4 hour is near golden cross, and pre-market right now 30, 1 hour, 4 hour MACDs are pointing up. TNX just up and down between 42.45, 42.308. The weekly is on the edge, is near having a golden cross, so just keep that in mind. Wix 1% lower, opening below 1373, so next target is 1307. I like that the daily MACD is dead cross, so 1307 most likely is gonna come. Below that, market is squeeze up. SPX, watch 5080. We passed that one. Next target is 5098. Above that, my major target is 5128. BTC just keeps ripping up. Yesterday broke the range, and from the open it was very interesting. From the open it started jumping and went up crazy. And right now pre-market 1 hour MACD is dead crossing after this crazy run up. So if you have calls on the cryptos related stocks, is a good opportunity to consider locking at open. But the 4 hour is still very bullish. Daily and weekly is still very bullish, and until the 4 hour MACD is not dead cross, this run up is possible, maybe continues. But right now, pre-market is showing some weaknesses. What's interesting is that BTC went up crazy, but ETH nothing. Unless There's some, yeah. I don't know. Maybe there's something wrong with my ETH. Let me just do this one. ETH. Yeah, there was something wrong with my futures. So sorry about that. Let's look at ETH. It's still, I mean, yeah, ETH did great too. Sorry, it was something wrong with my ETH. So anyhow, Apple, pre-market, Apple was very weak yesterday. Was dragging market down and went below 180. If at any time Apple breaks 179.51, it's gonna be disaster. It's still is bearish on the 4 hour daily and weekly. Watch 179.51. If any time next few weeks or any time it breaks 179.51, it could be a disaster fall there. But right now, 179.51, 183.2, those are the next major levels to watch. If it breaks that one, again, run up. Last week, it went the same. It went down to 180. It bounced back up to 185. So 183.2 is the next key to watch. Pre-market right now, 15:31 hour is upward. So keep an eye on that one. If the 4 hour MACD Golden Cross can run up again. Amazon got added to Dow Jones. Need to pass 175 is strong to run up to the next level, which is 177.43. Pre-market right now, 4 hours dead cross. Daily MACD is kind of flat, so it's between 173.24 and 174.84. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Nvidia. After the earning, 1 hour got dead cross and it still is in a dead cross mode. Is not flushing crazy, but at the same time is not flying up either. 4 hour MACD is dead cross. It's still very bullish on daily and weekly. It's most likely is establishing a range. Once the 1 hour MACD golden crosses and breaks the wedge that is creating right now, it's possible to have a big move. Until then, possible just yo-yo up and down. If it jumps up, 798, 811 is the next target. If again falls at open, because 15 and 30 is downward, supports the 782, 776, 776, and 767. Yeah, AVGO, to 1316 is a key level for fly up. 4 hour we got a dark blue bar. Daily MACD is near golden cross. Need to pass 1316 for run up to 1334 and 1358. All time high is 1320, so keep an eye on that one. Pass that one. Next target is 1334, 1358. Baba is showing some strength. 4 hours golden cross. Bidu earning is tomorrow before open. Daily and weekly are very bullish on Baba. So if Bidu earning comes in good, can push up Baba up to 78.02. If it passes, we're looking at 79.65. Above that, 80 is a key level. We can blue sky's the limit. Netflix gap up open to 600 and it pulled back to 595. If it opens and passes the pre-market high 600, we're looking at 601, 606, and 611. But this name is very volatile. It makes a new high, then it goes down again, then it goes up again later. So if it 15 MACD is the dead cross pre-market. So if you see a pullback, those are the support levels. It's very bullish on the 1 hour and 4 hour. Need to get a 5 minutes and 15 minutes MACD golden cross for run up again. If the 30 and 1 hour MACD dead cross drops again, this one is just very wild. Meta 481, if you can hold it back to 477. 4 hours still pointing down. I like that the 1 hour is golden crossing pre-market. Mixed signal pre-market, so need to pay attention to the level. If it jumps up, 480, 484, 487 is the next target. If at any time goes below 477, then back to 474, 472, and 470.92. Tesla, nice gap up finally, going above 200 something. So it's all about 205.52 at open. Past that one, we're looking at 207.75, next major level that I keep saying it's coming. Maybe it comes today. So if 207 breaks today, that's a very key important level. We're looking at 210, 214, and 219.26. If two again, but right now pre-market 15:30 1 hour is upward. 4 hour is very bullish. We got a dark blue bar on the 1 hour, but we'll see the actions at open. If at any time you see 203.76 can hold it, again, retest of the lower levels. Microsoft was very weak yesterday, same like Apple. I mean, it's not comparable to Apple right now. Microsoft is much more stronger. Still, weekly is not dead cross. Daily is pointing down, 4 hours pointing down. If 406 can hold it, we're looking at to 403 next support below 403, those are the next level. Need to get a 15 MACD golden cross to run up and recover to 409, 411. Google was super weak yesterday, 4% down. So 2 key levels to watch today is 137.92 and 139.36. If it goes below 137.92, next targets are 136.48 and 135.59. Need to go above 139.36 for recovery. I like that the 30 is up on 1 hour is pre-market upward, but it's all about opening action. 4 hours still very bearish. AMD. Same like Nvidia, just up and down. So we'll see what's gonna do. 175.37, 176.45. Those are the two key levels to watch. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Above 176, the next major level is 179.28. If 175 can hold it, one back to 174 and 173. Boeing. To 4 hours pointing up. It's just a mess there. Forget about it. SPY. So key level to watch for today for run up is 507.75. If passes, we're looking at 509, 511, 513. As I mentioned at the beginning, pay attention to the opening, to the closing action. That can tell a lot about what's the market expectation about PC. Always some people know what's the outcome. If 505 can hold it today, was very weak yesterday, so 504, 503 is the next support levels. QQQ. Between 530 436.79 and 437.79, just up and down for now. If passes a pre-market high, which is kind of like 438.24, we're looking for next target 439.41, 441.03. If 436 can hold it, those are the next support levels. IWM showing a lot of strength pre-market. Weeklies, I needs to open to see a new candle, how's the candle is gonna be. But daily is upward, 4 hour we're looking very bullish, so it's opening above 201.84. Next target there is 203.98, 206.7. If 206 breaks, small caps can go crazy, 209, 213 and 216. Airbnb, nothing exciting there. Adobe is on the rise up. It's still 4 hours very bullish. My target is 574.51. Past that one can get really interesting. Get close to 600. SAML making new all-time high pre-market, but then it pulled back. So 460, 961. If it passes, we're looking at 976.51 next major level. Coin going crazy there. Coin, as I mentioned, BTC is showing a little bit weakness pre-market opening. 1 hour is dead cross on BTC, and then on coin you can see here 15 and 30 MACD is already dead cross. 1 hour we got dark blue bars. So if it opens and jumps, 212.61 is the key level to watch. Past that one we're looking at 220, 230, 230.55. If 200 can open, if you see more pullback on BTC, can come back to 194.66 and lower levels. What else you got here? LRCX was opening up to 950 is a key level to watch. If 950.64 passes, 962, 972, 982 is the next major level. MSTR just monster run up. It's all about 903. If 903 breaks it, we're looking at 974, 1031, 1089 is the next major level. But as I mentioned, BTC is showing some weakness pre-market, so if you have a swing call, it's good to consider locking at open. 5 is pointing down, 15 is about the dead cross. So yeah, if 859, if it goes below 859, can go for a bigger pullback. Pan W was crazy. So anyhow, yesterday was crazy run up, then it started weakening into the close. Then after close, Pan W CEO start talking and pushed it up to 810, 310, and then right now market pulled it up all the way to 322. As I posted, 322.19 was a major level which it reached pre-market high, but right now pre-market 515 30 is pointing down. So I need to see opening action. If it opens, if it pulls back, it's possible to come touch down 312.67. But once you see 5 minutes and 3 minutes MACD golden cross and past 317.43, next target is 322.19. Above 322, if it does break it today, we're looking at 323, 326, 328.97. And I'm just going to show you the above levels. If this one continues going crazy as I predicted, is possible to recover all the losses of the pre after earning. Major levels to watch is 337, 348, and then 366. Those are the major levels to watch. It's not impossible to get to 350, maybe by next week. What else you got here? That's pretty much it on the major names. Bidu has earning today, tomorrow before open. So keep an eye on that one. 113.16. If it does pass that one, 116, 119.11. Keep in mind about Bidu. Bidu was flying up. Was is that it does have its own AI, but the news came in that the China government, the China military is using the AI, and it pushed it down big time. And then it started building a huge base on the weekly and daily charts, and right now it's been falling behind many other stocks. So if the earning comes in a little bit good or good, it does have a chance for a crazy run up. So it may be worth playing lotto calls. um Mara keeps going higher too. Next target there is 3401 and 37. Earnings coming up there too. That can have a big effect. W day VW day. That one went to 276, but it pulled up. So pre-market right now, 15:30 1 hour is pointing up. We'll see the opening. If it opens and falls, can go retest all the way to 76. But if it does recovery and jumps up, 307.81 is the next target. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a lovely day. Oh, it's snow. I just saw it. Sorry about that. Um, the last one. Snow. Premiums are very expensive because of ZS earning this week, and also has his own earning too. It's probably doing some pre-earning run up. 4 hours pointing up. Need to pass 234.12 for run up to 237 and 240.09. 240.9. Pre-market right now 5 is kind of flat, but still 30 1 hour 4 hour looking bullish. So it seems like he wants to do a pre-earning run up. 237 240 is the next key level. Past 240, those are the next level. All right, thank you, have a good one.